Hello students, welcome to Tirumani Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic integration, division of integration. Today we will discuss about the property P4 in the definite integration. And you know that property P4, you know very well. Integration 0 to a f of x dx, that is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This property is called P4 property. So using this property, we can solve some questions, very important questions. Question number 1, integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x dx. In this question, apply this property. According to this property, replace x by pi by 4 minus x. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10 pi by 4 minus x and dx. Correct? In this step, replace x by a minus x just. Now, integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus, this is the formula. You can use in this formula, you can use the identity, very important identity, that is x minus y formula. You can say 10x minus 10y upon 1 plus 10x 10y. According to that formula, you can use here 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Because you know that the 10 45 is 1. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log. Now you can take LCM 1 plus 10x 1 plus 10x plus 1 minus 10x 10x cancel. You know that integration 0 to pi by 4 log, that is 2 by 1 plus 10x dx. Now you can apply formula log m by n, property you know very well. This property you know, log m by n, that is equal to log m minus log n. You can apply that property here, log m by n. According to this property, you can write integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log 1 plus 10x dx. Now you can write integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x dx. This is equation number 2. Now on adding first and second, on adding first and second, you know that I plus I to I, and the integration of log x you know very well, that is x 0 to pi by 4. When you add equation number 1 and 2, these two terms cancel. These two terms are cancelled. Now log 2 that is pi by 4 minus 0. Very well. After integration, put the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore, you can say pi by 4 log 2, that is equal to 2i. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 4 into 2, that is 8. Pi by 8 log 2. This is the solution of this question, very important question. Next, very important question of this property. Integration 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. This is very important type in this property using P4. This property is called removal of x. So in this type of property always we use P4. Apply property P4. Apply P4. I equal to integration 0 to pi. P4 means just replace x by a minus x, that is pi minus x. You can say 1 plus sin pi minus x. Now can you tell me 0 to pi minus x, 1 sin pi minus x, sin 180 minus x. 180 minus x, it means second quadrant, and in second quadrant sin x is positive. Therefore you can say sin x dx. This is second equation. On adding first and second, I plus I to I, that is integration 0 to pi. You know that x plus pi minus x, when you add x term will cancel. Therefore pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx, pi integration 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Now for integration we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x dx. And in the denominator you can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That is pi integration 0 to pi 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, that is 1 minus sin square x, that is formula cos square x dx. Now you can write this as pi outside 0 to pi. Separate the term 1 by cos square, that is sec square, x sin by cos square, that is in a variable tan x sec x, and integration of sec square x, direct formula, that is tan x minus sec x. Now you can apply the property upper limit minus lower limit. When you put upper limit tan pi minus sec pi, this is upper limit, minus lower limit, that is tan 0 minus sec 0. You know pi, tan pi 0, sec pi minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 0 minus 1. Therefore you can say 2 pi, and 2i is equal to 2 pi. Therefore I is equal to pi. Okay, thank you.